Hello everyone. I've been getting a lot of questions. Can you use a less expensive drill like this Ryobi brushless drill with a StrikeMaster 8-inch Lite-Flite auger? Let's find out. The short answer is yes, you can use it, kind of. Ryobi has a built-in chip that'll cut it out if it starts drawing too much current. So if you put too much pressure down on your drill while drilling, it's going to cut out. Like I'll demonstrate here. And then what you have to do is release the trigger and then go again. And if you continue to put too much pressure down, it'll keep cutting out on you. Until you're through. Now you can get away with that by just letting the drill do the work. Don't apply much pressure and just hold it steady. And it'll cut through just fine. So can you use this drill with the 8-inch Lite-Flite auger? Sure you can. If you're not in a big hurry and you don't apply much pressure, just let the auger do the work. It'll cut just fine. Will it work as good as some of the higher priced name brands? Probably not. But if you're on a budget and you're looking for something that's a little less expensive, this Ryobi drill will do just fine. Please leave your comments down below what drill you use and what you prefer. Thanks for watching, and remember, get outdoors with Deano.